Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Gerald Isabel Manado with student ID number 2023-32016, Class B majoring in Information System. Here I will explain the coding a dataset and take like social media user, which I have processed using the hierarchical clustering method. 1. The first part of this code imports various libraries needed for data analysis and visualization. Pandas and NumPy are used for data manipulation and numerical calculation, while matplotlib.pyplot is used to create graphs. Label encoder from Screen is used to convert categorical data into numeric data for further processing. PCA, or Principal Component Analysis, is used to reduce the dimensionality of data to make it simpler and easier to visualize. Agglomerative clustering is a hierarchical clustering algorithm that groups data based on similarity, and dendrogram and linkage from SPICY are used to calculate relationship between data and display the result in the form of a tree diagram or dendrogram. In this section, the dataset is loaded into the program using the common periodic GCP social media user dataset GCP, which means the file name social media user dataset GCP is read and stored into the df variable as a data frame. This data frame will be the main structure for processing, analyzing, and visualizing the data in the following step. This section is the data pre-processing process to prepare the dataset for further analysis. First, only relevant columns are selected from the original data frame, namely gender, job, interest, city, and country, and then copy to the data variable. Then the job or date of birth column is converted to a date time type, and its act is calculated based on the year 2025. Then the DOB column is removed because it's no longer needed. After that, all columns containing categorical data such as gender, interest, city, and country are encoded into numbers using label encoder so that the can be used by the machine learning algorithm. Finally, data containing MP values or NaN is removed to ensure that only clean to and complete data is used, and the final result is stored in the data underscore clean variable. Next, in the section, a random sample of 1000 rows of clean data or data clean is taken using the sample function from pandas. The goal is to improve the efficiency of the computational process, especially when using algorithms that require a lot of calculation such as clustering or visualization. The random state 42 parameter is used so that the sampling results are always consistent or reproducible every time the code is run. This data sample is stored in the sample data variable. Next, this section is used to create a dendrogram, a tree diagram that illustrates the hierarchical clustering process. First, the linkage matrix is calculated using the linkage function with the word method, which group data based on minimize variation in each cluster. Then PLT.figure determines the image size and the dendrogram display dendrogram based on the calculate like linkage. Parameters such as truncate mode, less and P20 are used so that only the last 20 branches or cluster are displayed, making the dendrogram more compact. The rotation and font size of the leaf or data labels are set to make them easier to read. Finally, the gram is given a title and axis label before being displayed with PLT.show. Next, this code section performs data grouping clustering on the sample data using the agglomerative clustering algorithm, which is one of the hierarchical clustering methods. Here, the agglomerative clustering object is created to form four clusters and cluster 4 with the word making method, which minimizes the amount of the variance in each cluster. The affinity or metric parameter doesn't need to be specified explicitly because it automatically uses including which like what. Then the fit underscore predicts or sample underscore data method is applied to process the data and generate cluster labels for each row of data. The result of this cluster are stored in a new column cluster in sample underscore data. With this, each row of data will be given a cluster label 0, 1, 2, or 3 according to the clustering result. Next, this section is used to visualize the clustering result in two dimensions using the PCA or Principal Component Analysis. Technique first, a PCA object is created with n underscore components 2, meaning that the data will be reduced from many features to only two principal components. Transformation is performed on sample underscore data by removing the cluster column, so that only the original features and processed the reduced result and stored in reduced underscore data. Then, a two-dimensional scatter plot is created using plt.scatter with dot colors based on each cluster labels. The cluster colors are determined by CMap varieties. Titles, axial label, colors lender, colors bar, and grid are added to make the graph more informative and easy to read. This visualization helps to see how the data is grouped based on the clustering result visually. And, and next, the section display and dendrogram to visualize the hierarchical clustering structure of the data with display settings such as image size, number of branches displayed less 20 branches, label rotation, and font size for easy reading. The title and axis label of the dendrogram indicate that the method uses is a average linkage with cosine distance, but in fact the contents of the linkage with cosine distance. But in fact the content of the linkage underscore matrix are still based on the word linkage and including distance from before. So the contents of the visualization and this description are not entirely appropriate in order for the dendrogram to truly reflect the method and distance method. The linkage matrix needs to be recalculated with method average and metric quotient. Okay, that's all the explanation from me. So I hope what I said is useful. Thank you.